Alright, Katie, what's gonna happen here?
Hmm?
What's gonna happen?
Potatoes.
Well, how do I do this with one hand? Okay, you're gonna have to hold the camera. Okay. Oh yeah, potatoes on.
Remember, do a lot.
Yeah.
But not too much. Let's not go crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, take the camera.
Okay.
Did you put enough hair?
Just keep going.
I don't think you put enough
Just keep clicking. Let's not have a repeat of last time. Hold on to it.
Put in more hairspray.
More?
Well, maybe you didn't put in enough.
It was probably dry from yesterday.
Yeah, maybe.
Because there was debris.
Yes, exactly.
Every time we do it.
So keep going at it.
Okay.
There you go. Rock on.
Did you just say rock?
Here you go.
Okay. Go. Keep going. Whoa, yeah!
That was probably one of the farthest.
That was the farthest.
Okay, your turn.